Hey, say what's up. Can you say aloha?
Lula.
Aloha.
Lula.
Yo, what up, y'all? So I am here with my son and my wife's over here too.
Daddy,
What's up?
I got 2 remotes.
We got 2 remotes because there's 2 fans, buddy. Anyways, so we are in Oahu, Hawaii. We are on the Windward side over at Paradise Bay Resort. I stopped vlogging. The last vlog I did was the beginning of the pandemic in 2020 when I was learning how to make beats. When I first started learning how to make beats, I told myself no more vlogging just because it's just, you know, it takes up so much time. Because we did come to Hawaii summer 2021. It is now January 2022, and I also went to Mexico last year as well with some of my friends, and they asked me if I was gonna vlog, and I said no because I had already vlogged Mexico City, and I just wanted to focus on hanging out, eating and drinking and doing all that. But this time around, I figured, you know, we brought the kid back to Hawaii, and we want him to be able to see himself later on when he's on his travels. So I am going to start vlogging again. And I feel kind of weird because I don't want to go out in public with the camera and the big microphone that I have on top of this. But, I mean, I used to do it, so I might as well do it again. But we are in Paradise Bay Hotel, or Resort, and check it out. It feels like the Philippines out here because it's hot and it's muggy. And it's winter over in California right now, so it does not feel like this. But check it out. A huge bay over here. And probably get some more of that in the film as we're here. We'll be here about 3 days, and then we're going back to the touristy section of Waikiki. So I'll be recording some stuff. We're gonna check out some breweries, taking it easy. We're not gonna do anything special, nothing crazy. We've done all this before, so we're kind of doing a relaxation trip. But anyways, I will be recording again later from one of the breweries. All right, peace.
That's my beer.
It's not your beer.
I need try breakfast. I need drink.
You can't drink this.
Dear mainland, aloha. My brother and I hear lots of you have discovered a real Hawaiian favorite.
All right, so as you saw, we just stopped by Inu Island Ales over here on the windward side of Oahu. One of the DJs from San Diego had told me about this place last time we came out here. And I didn't get to hit it up because they were closed last time. And if you're out here, man, this is like it's a small brewery, and it's one of those breweries that it's like homegrown and it's dope. And it feels really dope to be here. And they had like just, you know, a little bit of beer, like maybe 6 beers to choose from. Man, I miss actually seeing those type of breweries, especially around San Diego, because that's how it was when it kind of just started out. I got a crowler to go. Maybe I'll record some of that, but just wanted to, you know, this is it. It's like a small like business park over in Hawaii, Windward side. Kind of like how it used to be in Miramar with some of the smaller breweries in San Diego. But yeah, I'll touch up on that a little bit later. Alright, So I have to take my mask off really quick, so I'm vlogging. So, afternoon, morning, magandang umaga, aloha. We're over here in the Windward side at the Byodo-In temple, and one of the things that you're supposed to do is ring this bell over here. There is a donation box if you want to donate to the temple, and self-described here. Ringing is pretty much bringing happiness, blessing, Buddha. So I'm gonna go ahead and ring the bell really quick. My son wants to see me do it over there. Okay, check it out. Here we go. Ring the bell. Okay, that is our bell ringing ceremony to start off our Byodo-In temple vlog. Okay, we're gonna just walk around and check things out. It's gonna be pretty simple, kind of being respectful and quiet. So let's go check this all out.
Ay, bata ka gumanon. Sorry.
Alright, so that's basically walking around the Byodo-In temple. Is like going up and around, starting at the bell, and you can hear that throughout the whole day. And then you kind of just walk through over here. You could pay your respects, you can light incense. There's the gift shop over here, and I guess the koi pond has some huge koi fish, as you saw. It's pretty much just kind of like a little walk around a park type of deal when you come and hang out over here. Adults $5, children about $2 to visit, and I mean, it's really nice and serene. So I mean, you head out to Oahu, go to the Windward side, the island, and this is one of the dope places to be and check out, especially for all you Instagram influencer type of people that want to take photos and show off on Instagram. A lot of people come here. It's an awesome place. But I think that's gonna do it for us over here. Nothing too crazy, just, you know, checking out some sites here and there. A lot of tourists, so come check it out. Want some ice cream?
Yeah.
Alright, kind of vlogging really quick because you can't dine in at a lot of places over here in Hawaii for obvious reasons, COVID being the number one. But we stopped by the poi factory over here, Windward side of Oahu, and we got some food. But we want to taste the ice cream first since we don't want it to melt. But it's called the Sweet Lady of Waiahole, and we're about to dig in and try it. Check it out, we're stuck in the car, and this is the Sweet Lady of Waiahole.
Stop.
Stop what, dude? Anyways, so basically it's hopia ice cream over warm kololo, which is grated taro.
Go home.
Okay, well anyways, warm kololo topped with the hopia ice cream. Very, very good, delicious. Man, like that layer of the kololo makes this so much better. I can't even compare it to anything else because it's so damn good. I guess it's like bread pudding at the bottom, but this is 10 times better than that. Anyway, so we're in the back of our rental car in Hawaii eating this ice cream, and my son is making crazy noises. So if that takes over my vocals, in the video, I apologize. Here we are, back at Paradise Bay Resort, and like I said earlier, unfortunately you cannot dine in at a lot of places here in Oahu. So a lot of the places are to go. I mean, remember, you have to mask up wherever you go. They will scold you. We saw some potato tourists get scolded at the coffee shop this morning. We were laughing. We have the lau lau, pulled pork, and salmon lomi?
Lomi, yes.
The salmon lomi. So we ate the ice cream first because we did not want it to melt driving on the way back over here. We were going to go to the beach and just eat in that area, but this kid wanted to come back and get some chocolate milk. So far, all the stuff that we got from Waiahole Point Factory is good. The pulled pork is awesome, of course. So if you're on the Windward side in Oahu, make your way over there. And right now, not too many people are over there. I mean, it's lunchtime, and there's a few people showing up. Not much long of a wait. I mean, we ordered ahead of time, so like it's probably like 10-15 minutes. Really good too. There's a lot of flavor on that one too. Got a lot of flavor. That's the Siono grinds. Just a quick little follow-up because we went to Inu Island Ales yesterday here on the windward side of Oahu, and had some good beers. You'll see that in the other part of this vlog, but picked up a crowler to go and kind of wanted to follow up about it. Hazy Expectations was one of the beers that I got while I was there. 6.7% alcohol, not bad. That's actually pretty good for a hazy. Like I said, it's a small brewery. Got to meet one of the dudes that works there on Sunday. Briefly met the family that runs the place. One dude, brewer, used to work for I think Three Weavers and a couple other breweries in the Los Angeles area. Hawaiian, raised in LA, but he went back to Hawaii and started Inu Island Ales. So this is the hazy IPA, and I'm gonna pop it open. Just do a quick little review. All right, bear with me. Here is a look at the Hazy Expectations IPA. So if you are in Oahu, do make it to Inu Island Ales. They have some good beer over there, good people, good family running it. Really friendly. They have merch too. I got this hat over there. It says share shaka stories. Basically share your beer, throw shakas, and then talk story. Yeah, so it's like pretty much like kicking it with the homies and chilling out. There's a couple Japanese and Korean restaurants in the area, and then a lot of like car stereo and like other little sort of industrial places over there. But it's cool, you know, like that's kind of like how small breweries start out. All right, peace.